and welcome to KRWBIN. Today I wanted to show you different irons that you can clean after you're done using them. Now these I have available on my website at www.KRWBIN.com, but they are titanium plates. And when you're using a lot of product with buildup, you will need to be able to clean the irons, whether you're using the flat irons or the traditional Marcells. Now, the best way to clean your irons where you don't have to use a chemical is to actually let the iron cool. You're done using it, you're letting it cool, and you just basically take a cloth and you scrape off the product. Because these are titanium plates, the product will scrape right off if you use a cloth that's non-abrasive. And if you use an abrasive cloth, just be sure to not scratch up your plates. But if you're using the Marcells, which is a cast iron, you can still use a cloth to get the debris off of there. Once they cool, you don't want to use your irons and clean them when they're hot if you're just using a plain cloth. However, if you want to use a particular style iron cleaner, this one is by Hot Tools. You can get this at any of your beauty supply stores, or you can go to maybe, if you're a professional licensed stylist, you can go to one of the pro stores and they should have this available for you to clean. Now with this, you want to spray up to 1 to 10 minutes. And you want to be sure that the irons have cooled off. Now this is not to be used on cold irons, so you have to make sure that the irons have cooled off. And you want to be careful. Let's see if you can see those directions. It's a little hard to see, but when you purchase this, you'll actually be able to read the directions. So these irons are available on my website. They are Rhinestone flat irons. These are professional grade, over 420 degrees. And this is one of my Marcells from my Marcell video. And also we have this hoodie available at www.KRWBIN.com. Bye-bye, and welcome.